How to insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first, let's go to your device. Now in the box, locate your SIM pin. And on the left hand side here at the top, this is where you can locate the SIM tray. So we put the SIM pin into the small hole right here. And then push it in. That will pop out the SIM tray and say the SIM tray has been removed. Pull it out. You may need to use some force. It can be a little bit hard, so just pull it out really hard. So you can see it doesn't come off easily, so you need to actually pull it out. Once it is pulled out, you can place your nano SIM card with the metal contact facing upward. So place it in like that. So make sure it sits nice and flat on the SIM tray. And then we will insert it into your phone, like so. And then push it all the way in. After that, we wait for the phone to detect the SIM card. If your SIM card has been activated, you should see a mobile signal at the top here next to the clock. Now you can see my SIM card here now showing a strong signal. And that is how you can insert it into your phone. If you need to remove it, you do the same thing. You insert the SIM pin into the hole and push it in. Then you need to pull it out real hard. And then from here, you can take out your SIM card and put your SIM tray back in. And that's it. That is how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.